a lot of times when I just want to control the distance, I use more of my instep behind the shoulder blade. Alright, just when I want to create the distance to create what you push back, what I would do now in this case, I would kick a little bit forward and keep my foot on the rib cage. Make sure you have a good pressure under. And this we use a lot, like I can start the position by myself, or when my opponent breaks the grip and then it feels like passing to the side. So what I would do is with this foot, I will lock right next to his waist here. So live hook, which means my instep like this. And as he's coming, or if it doesn't come here, I'm gonna get my hand and turn. So I make sure I have my palm on his knee or side of his thigh. And I use the side of my leg here to push him up. So kind of open up him here, pass him underneath, and now I hammer down, boom. Control his hips, move him.